Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we're going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is Fun Forts Glow in the Dark. It comes with 150 pieces. It's great for thinking, eye coordination, and like hand coordination. It says the possibilities are endless, and you can see, you can just build different things. You can build from like little houses like that. You can build like squares like that, like a square house. Like you can do pretty much whatever you want, but it glows in the dark. But let's go ahead and see my kids play with this and build something.
Perfect. It 100% works.
Okay, guys.
Keep adding. Turn off the lights.
Okay.
Bro, that's done.
Turn off the lights.
Light switches.
So as you can see, it glows in the dark. You guys move the sticks in the air so you can see a little better. See?
And then turn it around.
They glow in the dark. Okay, turn on the light. So this is the house that my kids worked on together and built. What do you guys think about them?
I think it's cool. I think it's more cool.
Oh yeah? Could you imagine having like a couple sets of these and building like a big house with it?
That'd be fun.
No, probably like 5 million of these would probably make me.
A mansion.
I want to make one. It's just that's too many boxes.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.